The Royal Heritage Festival. It's a nice evening. Everything is awesome, and I'm sandwiched by two beautiful women. How are you guys?
We are fine, and you?
I'm also good. And your names?
Mangi.
And you?
Ruth?
Are you enjoying the performance by the Super Mega right now?
Of course we are. It's so much fun.
Who else are you looking forward to tonight?
Let's show my juice.
Okay, wait. I can tell you guys are not vendor. Can I ask you where do you come from? Where do you come from?
I'm from Centurion.
And you?
Potchefstroom.
So you guys came all the way from Gauteng and Northwest to Venda to vibe here. Why?
It's an invite, we honored it, and it's a girls' night out. Well, weekend away.
Yeah.
So vakozvipana vone vache vodzura hafo vufuli vache vodzura thoyando vache vodzura shandima kana makwarela kana huone hune vava hone kha va vone huna khomba dzana khou bva Gauteng na Northwest toda uri dzi ḓifhelwe vone tshikhuna ndi tsha mini tshipimbi ndi tsha mini. Girls, tell them what's up.
You are up! Yeah!
Venda TV's up!
You guys look gorgeous, you look amazing. Thank you for your time, guys. Enjoy your night and have a good time.
Thank you. Thank you so much.